First you need to gather everything together. You'll need a cup, a bottle of milk, sugar, a teaspoon, and a kettle. Fill the kettle with water. Now plug the kettle in and turn it on. Put the tea bag in a cup. Pour the boiling water in a cup carefully. In my opinion, you shouldn't stir the tea bag. I think you have to stir it. In my opinion, you shouldn't stir the tea bag. You should remove the tea bag with a pair of tongs or a spoon so it doesn't drip all over the floor. Throw the tea bag into the compost bin or hang up so then it can dry so you can reuse it. Add sugar if you want, optional. Add milk if you like. Stir it all together with a teaspoon. Put the milk away, otherwise it'll go all smelly. Serve the tea with a biscuit if you want. Tidy up after you made a cup of tea, otherwise you'll get it in the air.